Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have to do the some pipe sizing already done. So now I am going to do the locate here length of the pipe. So we have to select the equipment using Toshiba software. Then we have to prepare the schedule. So I will show you one sample project. So you can see here this is one of the completed project. So in this you can notice here there is pipe size along with the length of the pipe in the bracket. So why they write it here the length of the pipe, just to select the equipment. I will show you uh, the equipment selection as well. So here you can see the VRV is the same, so no need I will show you here. Go to the last page. Yes, you can see here, you can notice here this is the equipment isometric equipment selection, VRF selection using Toshiba software. So you can notice here there is pipe size as well as the length of the pipe. Okay, so this length we have taken from the what we call say from this drawing. Okay, so here you can see there is 4 meter pipe from the wrap net to the last outdoor between the outer and the nearest wrap net, 4 meter. Okay, so same thing. We have to here locate the length of the pipe, and then we have to we will use the Toshiba software and select the equipment. So let's go. Let us start now. So how to show the pipe length? Here you can use the DLI command, dimension linear. Okay, so type DLI. DLI is nothing but the, or you can type only distance. So use distance command, DI. Okay, and here you can see here they specify the first point. So I specify the first point and type M for multiple. Enter. Click here and up to here. So you can see here 3.6 meter is in mm, showing in mm. So you can write 3.6 meter. So copy this one, and for the length I want to use another color just to avoid the confusion. So here you can say change the color. Okay, so I want to use this color. Okay, or I want to use this color. Just double click to edit. 3.6, let's say 3.6 meter, and just use the bracket here. You can say M. Okay, so 3.6 meter. Similarly for this one you can use DI, distance command. Okay, so dimension, M for multiple. If there is bend you can use M. Okay, so you can see a 9.5 meter, sorry, 4.9 meter again. So 4.9 meter, just copy this one, type CO. I show you the AutoCAD command as well here. So 4.6 meter. Okay, so edit this 4.6. Next, this pipe, this reference to this reference, use DI, distance command. Okay, so you can see here 3.3 meter. Okay, just type CO 3.3 meter, double click to edit 3.3. Okay, similarly for this one, type DI, click on first point, type M for multiple, and you can see here 1.9 meter. Okay, if you click here it will show here 4.5. Okay, so 4.5, copy this one, type CO, go down 4.5. Okay, Similarly for this one, type DI, first point, M for multiple, second point, then here is third point, then here is 4 point, enter 3.2. Okay, so again copy. Here you can move this little bit, 3.2. Okay, so similarly you have to calculate the length of each pipe, and then we will use Toshiba software to select the equipment. So here type DI, here to here 4.2. Double click to edit 4.2. Again copy this one, place it here and use DI command. You can check this 1.4. So here 1.4. Okay, you can move this here. Okay, here. Similarly for this one, again copy this. Okay, type DI, first point, M for multiple, second point, third point, fourth point. Okay, enter. You can see here in the command bar 3.7. So double click to edit 3.7. Okay, so similarly you can calculate for the next length. So type CO, place it here, DI for dimension, linear, distance command 4.2. Double click to edit 4.2. Again copy this one, and now you can place it here. Okay, and use DI command. Click on this point, and this point you can notice, you can see here 3.7. Double click to edit 3.7. Let it go. Now I can copy this one, place it here, and use DI command. Click the first point, M for multiple. Click here, enter, and you can see here 3.9. So double click to edit 3.9. So similarly for this one we have to calculate also. So copy this. Okay, use DI, this point and this point, 5.1. So 5.1. Okay, so similarly we have to calculate for all those points, and then we will, in the next video guys, I will show you how to select the equipment using Toshiba software, considering this layout. So please be with me and keep watching my full video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you, bye bye.